In a land far, far away, nestled amidst towering mountains and flowing rivers, there lies a magical place called the Valley of Flowers National Park. This isn't just any ordinary park. Oh no, it's a secret garden where nature paints the most beautiful pictures using flowers as its colors. Imagine, if you will, a sprawling valley covered in a blanket of flowers as far as the eye can see. You've probably seen a rainbow, right? Now imagine a rainbow falling from the sky and spreading all over the ground. Yes, that's what the Valley of Flowers looks like, a rainbow that has come to life. Every year, as the snow melts and sunshine peeks through the clouds, the valley awakens from its winter sleep. Suddenly, thousands of flowers burst into bloom, turning the valley into a colorful carpet. From vibrant reds to soothing blues, sunny yellows to calming whites, the valley becomes a painter's dream come true. But it's not just about the flowers. The Valley of Flowers is also a haven for many wonderful creatures. Fluttering butterflies, buzzing bees, and melodious birds all find a home here. They add to the melody of the valley, each playing their part in the grand orchestra of nature. The Valley of Flowers is also a treasure trove of stories. Legends say that this is the place where fairies come to dance and play, leaving behind trails of flowers in their wake. It's also believed to be the magical garden of the gods, where they come to rest and rejuvenate. Isn't that a wonderful thought? But remember, such beauty needs protection. The Valley of Flowers is a delicate ecosystem, and it's our responsibility to ensure its preservation. So while we admire its beauty, we must also respect its fragility. So, my dear friends, that was the tale of the enchanting Valley of Flowers National Park. A magical land where flowers bloom like a rainbow on earth, where creatures big and small find a home, and where legends come to life. But most importantly, it's a reminder of the incredible beauty of nature and our responsibility to protect it. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and remember, every flower tells a story.